Brayden, what's a cat say?
Cat.
What's the cat say?
Wow.
What's a dog say? That's right. What's a cow say?
Moo.
That's right. What's a duck say?
Quack.
What's a horse say?
Moo.
That's right. What's a bird say? What's a dog say? Woof woof. What's an owl say? What's an owl say? That's right. What's a cat say?
Wow.
What's a dog say? And a horse? What's a horse say?
No.
That's right. What's a goat say?
No.
That's hard. That's hard to do. Can you go? Meh. Meh. What's a duck say? You're a very smart boy, Brayden. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow. You say morrow? Morrow. Yeah. Morrow. Bye-bye.